Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 websites in which you can earn at least $1,000 just by transcribing audios. But before getting to the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a way in which you can make $1,000 per month online by transcribing. Watch the entire video because at the end of it, I'm going to be sharing with you a way in which you can make even more money, but that's going to be at the end of the video. Now, let me show you the very first website. It's called Scribe, Scribe.com. Okay, so you are going to be listening to what people are saying. It can be in videos, it can be podcasts, but don't worry, you are not going to get paid 10 cents per minute. Let me show you why. Because automate translation, so that means that they submit the audio, right? It's 10 cents per minute, but this is not really accurate. So people are going to be looking for manual transcriptions. So that's going to be 80 cents per minute. Okay, so it's really easy for people who are looking up for this, this type of service, because they just need to import the files, okay, and you are going to be transcribing. Okay, so this is actually the entire process. So if you want to actually apply for this, you are going to click here where it says join Scribe as a transcriber. Click here where it says apply now. Okay, you're going to be submitting an application, you're going to be taking a small test, and you're going to earn per audio. Okay, right now they are working with over 30,000 people, but don't worry, this is an on-demand service. Okay, so it's not like it's Saturday, it's an on-demand service. Okay, you're going to land on this page. Again, remember, you're going to be submitting an application, take the online test, and you're gonna earn per hour. So this is a home-based job. You're gonna work at your convenience. So you're not gonna tie to a schedule, or you're not gonna be like, hey, you need to work this amount of hours per day. You're gonna get paid between $5 to $25 per audio hour. Okay, that's gonna be your rate. Yes, between $5 to $25 per hour. These are not super long files. These are going to be 10 minutes or less. Okay, you can, do the test in 2 hours or less. And let me tell you, you're not going to start from scratch. They do have a free software that is going to be doing the automated transcription for you. So you're going to be saving around 60% of the type effort. Okay. You can be promoted to be a reviewer, self-reviewer, proofreader, or QC based on your performance. Okay, you're also going to have a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. Again, there is no obligation, no monthly commitment, or withdrawal limits. Okay, they are going to be paying you via PayPal, and you can withdraw the money whenever you want. They don't assign the files, okay? So you're going to get a preview, you're going to listen to it, and you're going to choose the files that you want to work with, okay? So that's basically what you're going to be doing. There is no experience required on this, but you need to be doing a small test. Some of the requirements, well, you need to submit your application to ScribeMe, okay? Remember that you're going to be paying in dollars. So if you're overseas, it's a good opportunity for you, right? You're going to be paid through PayPal account anytime, okay? This needs to be a verified PayPal account. I know that's a question that a lot of people ask me, okay? Why? Because you are going to be able to transfer the funds to your bank account. Again, there is no monthly commitment or minimum withdrawal limits. Payments are made once a day. Okay, payments are made once a day. The requirements, well, you need to understand English. You need to have the ability to interpret conversations, the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. Remember that at the beginning, you're going to receive a file, right, with an automated transcription. You need to have a verified PayPal account. That means that the PayPal account needs to be linked to a bank account or a credit card. You need to have a laptop, desktop computer, and internet connection. You need to have headphones or headsets. And of course, you need to use a browser, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. Something really important is that if you are a US person, but you are a resident of California, unfortunately, you are not going to be eligible to work in this website. But don't worry, I have 2 other options, and remember that I have a bonus at the end. Okay? The transcription process is the file splitting, raw transcription, review, proofreading, and check quality. Okay? So here is a most accurate description of what really it is. So if you want to do to do this, you need to understand this in detail. Okay, so they pay between $5 to $25 per hour. They pay by audio hour and not the actual time spent working. The payment of 6 minutes, it's between 5 cents to 2 cents. To $2, sorry, not to 2 cents. Again, there is no limit, and you can withdraw the money whatever you want, okay? So remember that they do have a bonus, which is $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. The second website, I think I already mentioned it on a couple of videos in this page, in this YouTube channel, is actually TranscribeMe, okay? TranscribeMe.com is basically the same. Right now, they're offering 3 services, transcription, translation, and data annotation, okay? This is a really legit website. If you have some questions, you're going to be able to contact them. They do have a chat support, okay? You are going to be a transcriptionist. So the starting price is 79 cents per minute. Don't worry, but you can see the other options that they do have here. If you want to apply, you are going to click here where it says join as transcriptionist. Okay, you're going to land on this page in which you can apply by clicking here, join our team. This is a top rated. They have been featured in several websites, but I want you to understand this. They are paying between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Remember that previously on the ScribeMe, they are paying between $5 to $25, okay? So TranscribeMe, it's between 15 to 22. The top earners are actually making an average of $2,200, okay? So I want you to take that into consideration. They give you training so you don't have to be an expert. There is no experience required or upfront investment. You're going to have the opportunity to work from home. Again, there is no commitment of how much jobs you can do or how much job you want to do, okay? You can work from your home, whatever you want, how much you want, and the videos are way shorter, between 1 to 2 minutes clips. Remember that on Scribe, it can be up to 10 minutes. So there is no long interviews. When you complete it, you can send it to the system, and there is no limit of how many you can do. Something really important is that you're going to get paid through PayPal. Again, you will need to have a verified PayPal account, and the payments are made on a weekly basis, not every single day, but on a weekly basis, and everything is on USD. Okay. The third website, it's Audio Transcription Center on Boston, Massachusetts. The website's audiotranscriptioncenter.com. Okay, they do have 2 ways in which you can work with them. Okay, I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, they have been on the market for about 53 years, and this is something that they commit with their customers. There is no rush orders, no verbatim. So, and they offer 100% guarantee. Okay, if you want to apply, you will need to go here where it says jobs, and you're gonna land on this page. So basically, you're gonna earn money as a transcriptionist. Okay, you need to apply from the website. You need to complete projects, and then you're gonna get paid weekly. Okay, you're gonna get paid weekly. You're gonna be transcribing oral history interviews with World War II veterans, women in academics, farmers, etc. So this is more like interviews, but you can choose your own schedule. So you decide when you want to work and how many hours you want to work per day. You're going to get paid weekly. Okay. So you're going to receive weekly payouts for all tasks completed, regardless of the number of hours you work. There is no experience required. Okay. You just need to be educated, fast, and accurate typist with sharp hearing. Enjoy work variety. We describe for all oral history interviews, focus group, financial broadcasts, text webinars, and more. There is 2 ways in which you can work with them. You can work in-house. So that means that if you're in Boston, you are going to be able to work, if you decide, right, to work with them in the downtown Boston office. Or you can be an independent contractor. That means that you're going to be working from anywhere in the world as a freelance transcriptionist. This is a picture of the Boston office. Okay. These are the requirements if you decide to work with them. I'm not going to read them. So if you want to have more information about this, it's going to be to audiotranscriptioncenter.com. The reason why I'm not going to mention it, it's because this YouTube channel is watched by people all over around the world, and I want everybody to have the opportunity. So we're going to be focused on independent contractor. So you're going to be a freelancer. You're going to be working from home. You need to be really fast typing because the minimum speed right now is 80 words per hour. And I can tell you, I type really fast and I think I can do it, but I know the average people won't be able to do it. There are several websites that you can Google, like, I want to know how fast I type, and there can tell you how fast you type. You need to deliver the files within 24 hours or less for an hour-long file. So these are really long interviews, okay? Not that the other ones, like in Scribe, they were up to 10 minutes, and on TranscribeMe is up to 2 minutes. People with a wide range of interests or education experience as the subject matter varies broadly, it's easier to understand the flow of the conversation when you have some context of what is being discussed. Because remember that they interview people like that, they participate in the World War II, okay? And tech webinars and all these things. Transcriptionists who are fluent, bilingual, or multilingual are always welcome. Strong language is one of the requirements. Ability to verify names and terms via brief internet search. And by the way, in this job you need to start from scratch. It's not like the others, or at least with TranscribeMe, that they give you an automated translation, so you have at least 60% of the job work. So this is more like a real commitment, okay? Although you're going to be working from home, this is more like a real commitment, because remember that if you accept a job, you have 24 hours to submit it. And these are really long interviews. Okay, you definitely need to use how to use Dropbox. So there is no FTP setup necessarily. You need to use Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, right? How you get hired? Well, you need to click here where it says online application. You need to upload your resume. You need to upload a cover letter, and please be sure that they are on PDF. If you're using Microsoft Word, you can save it as a PDF. So that's not like a big deal. And you need to go to typingtest.com. The minimum requirement is 75 words per minute with an 98 accurate. Okay? You need to send a screenshot and do not save it as a doc. Okay, so these are the requirements. You can start with all of them, with the 3 of them, or you can choose like, okay, I'm gonna go with this one, I'm gonna go with this one, and give it a try. If you want more like a real commitment, go with audiotranscriptioncenter.com. If you're looking for something more flexible, go to TranscribeMe or to Scribe.com. And this is something that you need to understand, that you're going to be working from home, so you need to put the hours. This is not passive income. If you want to know what's my number one way to make money online, I mean, making money while you travel, while you sleep, while you're enjoying your time with your family, when you're enjoying life, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description if you're looking for a way to make passive income. Okay, if you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.